everyone, welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making seafood nachos. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post new videos. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need shrimp, crawfish tails, queso quesadilla cheese, Velveeta queso cheese, a yellow onion, green onions, a Roma tomato, tortilla chips, minced garlic, diced jalapeños, shrimp and crab boil, seasonal, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, heavy whipping cream, and milk. Begin by dicing a half of yellow onion. Dice a Roma tomato. Cut 2 stalks of green onion. In a skillet, add about a tablespoon of olive oil. Cook shrimp for 1 minute on each side or until the shrimp turns pink. Remove the shrimp and add another tablespoon of olive oil. Add the yellow onions and the Roma tomatoes. Sauté for 5 minutes. Next, add crawfish tails. Add a tablespoon of minced garlic and mix well. Season to taste with seasonal, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Add a half cup of shrimp and crab boil. Next, add a half cup of milk and a half cup of heavy whipping cream to the skillet. Add cubes of Velveeta cheese. Mix and allow to simmer on a low heat. Next, add a half cup of queso quesadilla cheese. Add more milk if needed until you reach your desired consistency. Add 2 tablespoons of diced jalapeños. Now it's time to layer the nachos. To a cookie sheet, add a layer of tortilla chips, then crawfish tails, queso, green onions, and queso quesadilla cheese. Next, add another layer of tortilla chips, queso quesadilla cheese, queso, and green onions. Bake at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Add the shrimp and garnish with parsley. And there you have it, seafood nachos. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.